Hello everyone, and welcome to TechSphere Academy.
Ho, 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 tech enthusiasts! 'Tis the season to give your Android phone a merry little boost. Is your Android phone feeling slow, laggy, and not in the Christmas spirit at all? Then this video is here to help you. Let's unwrap 10 festive optimizations that'll make your device run smoother than Santa's sleigh. And if you are good boys and girls and watch the video, Santa will show you how to enable a secret setting to optimize your phone. 1. Clear the cache, like clearing snow from your driveway. Just as we clear our driveways of snow, let's clear our app caches. Go to Settings or Storage, Cache Data, and tap to clear. Watch your phone's performance improve faster than Rudolph can say, red nose. 2. Uninstall and unuse apps and make room for presents. Time to declutter. Remove those unused apps, like you're making room for new presents under the tree. Head to Settings, Apps, and bid farewell to the ones you don't need. 3. Update your OS, like upgrading your Christmas lights. Keeping your Android up to date is like switching to energy-efficient Christmas lights. Check for system updates in Settings. System Update.
Thanks for watching everyone. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel to help us grow, and drop a comment down below to let us know what you think. Now, let's jump into the next section.
4. Limit background processes. No elves working overtime. Restrict background processes by going to Settings, Developer Options, Running Services, select the service, and tap Stop. As a bonus, limit background processes. Go to Settings, Developer Options, Background Process Limit, and set your preferred limit 5. Use light versions of apps. Trim the fat, like holiday turkey. Just as we trim our turkeys, let's trim our apps. Your phone will thank you, just like your waistline after a light holiday meal. Replace resource-heavy apps with their lighty versions. Facebook Lite is a good alternative example that comes with the main functions, with the advantage of using few resources of your mobile. 6. Manage storage. Organize, like Santa's workshop. Organize your storage like Santa organizes his workshop. Use the Files app to delete unnecessary files and move important ones to the cloud. Go to Settings or Storage. Tap an app and clear its cache or data to fix problems with the app. 7. Adjust animation. Speed of fold, smooth as a candy cane. Make your phone as smooth as a candy cane by tweaking animation speeds. In Developer Options, reduce window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. 8. Enable dark mode. Save battery like saving candles. Activate dark mode to save battery life, just like our ancestors saved candles. Find it in Settings, Display, Dark Theme. 9. Optimize for gaming. Slay those mobile games. For the gamers out there, optimize your device for a jolly good time. Go to Settings, Digital Wellbeing, Do Not Disturb, on Schedules. Alongside the expected sleep and event schedules for Do Not Disturb functionality, there's a game mode schedule. 10. Restart regularly. Refresh like a new year. Finally, give your phone a fresh start by restarting it regularly. It's like ringing in the new year for your device. Now, have you been a good viewer and watched to the end? Then congratulations! Santa is very happy with you and presents you this bonus detail. We have talked about using developer settings, but how do you get them? Simply go to Settings, scroll down to About Phone, tap on Software Information, and then tap your build number 7 times. If this is your first time doing so, your phone should display a ticker telling you how many more times you need to tap the text. If done successfully, Developer Options will now be enabled, which you can access by going back to your default settings page and navigating to the bottom of the list, allowing you access to all the settings we've mentioned in this video. There you have it, folks. Follow these 10 Christmas miracles, and your Android phone will run smoother than ice on a frozen lake. And if you have more ways to optimize your Android phone, then drop a comment down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. It's the season of giving, after all. And help us grow by hitting like and subscribe. Until next time, Merry Techmas all.